Tango is a reliability information management system focused on bridging the gap. Tango integrates and communicates asset condition data so it can be properly analyzed, understood, and pushed into workflow with the appropriate work order priorities. Tango ensures that each asset condition problem is followed through to completion. Tango Reliability Information Management supports your plant's initiatives with multiple tools. It prevents equipment from failing in service and identifies solutions to make equipment live longer. Tango captures data to create a path for accountability, integration, and communication.
This could help with our current problems.
There are tools like the Integrated Condition Dashboard, Equipment Manager, the Root Cause Case Manager, which sorts and orders the information that managers need.
This is so much better than the dozens of spreadsheets that we use now.
Any location with a physical asset will benefit from Tango. With improved measurement of reliability, tracking of history, and all actionable data at your fingertips. If you work with condition monitoring, inspection routes, root cause of failure analysis, mean time between failure and equipment history, then Tango Reliability Information Management will bring all the pieces together. Tango is used in industries like oil and gas, drilling and mining, food and beverage, healthcare, automotive, municipal wastewater treatment, bottling, and paper mills.
Let's call and get a demo started. There is no cost to check out the capabilities and the setup is simple.
It's time for us to make the most of the work we do each day. It's time for Tango.